my channel, all thanks to GarageBand. I'm Jeremy Hawes. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to either shorten or lengthen your project for GarageBand for your Mac. I know I made a video on this like when I first started this channel, but I got a comment saying, hey bro, it took you like 2.5 minutes to get around to the point, and I totally appreciate the comment. Thank you, because I can work on it and make things better on my channel this way. So I just wanted to reshoot it and get it done quick for you guys. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Ow! All right, so here we are. Here's your project. Okay, so this is, come over to this bar over here. See this little guy right here? Pull this and pull it to the right, pull it all the way to the left, okay? Then when you do that, you'll see that you see this little darkened shadow here. Go ahead, see how it looks like this? See how it turns into this right here. That's what you want. Now it says end marker. Left click on your mouse, pull it to the left to shorten it, or pull it to the right and it'll lengthen it, okay? And then now grab this little bar right here, do this again, and it'll shorten your that's your project right there, okay? So say I just showed you how to lengthen it. So if you shorten it, grab it, pull it to the left, right to 45, and then grab this and do that again, and it'll do that for you, okay? So and that if this happens again to you, let me do this. Let me find that marker again. There. Now, if this shows up later, even after you've done that thing I just told you to do, that's okay. This can be there. It's a little annoying sometimes, but it's still, your project ends wherever the shadow goes to, okay? So I just want to let you know that. It took forever for me to figure that out myself, and it was hard to find someone that could show me that. So anyways, I hope it was helpful. See you guys on the flip side. Yeah.